On the screen now for Cordinia. Good hands. Doncic comes up with it. Now Slovenia could go 2 for 1. Luka, quick one. Troika! Luka magic.
Points at the referee. It is the step back, the look off.
Doncic. There's contact. Luka magic. Counted. And he's going to the free throw line.
Well, see, the difference with that one, he's shooting it, you know, in rhythm, getting himself going, where before he's playing for it. Look, knock that one down and get themselves going again.
He's got 19, second leading scorer tonight. Luka splits the defense. Abdia helps side, but not enough.
At the moment here, look, he's asking for the and one, double clutch it, finishes there. He slips on the floor. He
as Gregor Hrovat contesting everything from Hermansen. Friedrichsen makes a penetration. And Luka getting a block. It goes out of bounds off Friedrichsen, so Slovenia, great defense already.
And this is tough. Luka comes up.
Back to Doncic. Sturger. And there you have it. Luka Doncic has made history. He becomes the 5th player in FIBA EuroBasket history to record a triple-double. Stojko Brankovic, 1993. Tony Kukoc, 1995. Raresh Mandak.
Great finish, splitting defenders.
That's what Will Voigt called Yang time. Look at that, the dunk at the other end by Krampel. He shoots it like it's a free throw.
Here's that pass, Jeff.
While being guarded.
Oh my goodness.
Zip. Just out of the reach of Nyang.
Voigt defended by Prepelic. Bonica up against Doncic. Well, good defense by Luka, but the follow-up no good. Only get it back. Doncic. There we go. Oh my goodness! Luka magic. Finding the young fella. And big Luka magic finds it. Big Luka throws it, and little Luka connects. That's Luka magic with baby Luka magic.
Look at that, lovely job.
Doncic got it!
And he kept his hands off. There was contact.
Doncic, tough drive. It goes right to the rim.
They've got to defensive rebound and have more energy on the boards. Again, they're letting Luka.
Doncic is asking the referee to stop the game to do his shoelace up.
Luka getting the troika. There's troika number 1. His basketball IQ. It's out, and there's another look at the deep troika.
Good box out.
Luka looking to play a bit turbo, a bit of contact, and finishing under pressure, but no and one given.
Lights under their names. Lit up here is a lovely little floater. Floats in the air from Luka.
This was 6 against Poland, and now it's another turnover. Here comes Doncic, goes in, throws it down with one hand. Back to an 11-point ball game.
Perfect timing. Look at this. Out on his own. Nothing you can do about it but watch him score.
Well, it seems like it's been a quiet game for Doncic, but indeed it has not
Quiet?
been. 2012 for his standards in my mind, at least. I mean,
Sounds like he's doing a bit of everything.
3 steals,
Yeah.
1 block.
Knows how much time is on the clock. Steps back, gets it up, and makes it. It is a thankless task.
See this isolation, then the step back on Melli. At some point, the next thing for Italy will be, are you going to fire, attack, and double the live ball handler?
Just psychologically.
It might help him.
He steps back, and speaking of helping him, he follows it with a long.
Plays both ends, he defends, and here he really read the game well. Look at that.
Now wants an ISO. Tough pass, finds Muric. He's made 1 3, and make another one. Slovenia, much better tonight from the three-point line. Valuable any lead against Slovenia is going to be. Doncic splits the defense. What a Euro step. Can't double clutches. Slovenia won. It was Klemenčič who led them with 21 in that game. That was back in February 2023. Nice dime. Doncic now repays the favor.
He's got 2. He can't pick up the third.
A good steal by Luka. Slovenia on a run. Doncic forces his way in. Goes in with a simple finger roll.
See Doncic calling for the screen with Gallinari to see if they switch. There's the switch.
Here's Doncic again. Goes up, and they call the foul. Chance for a three-point play.
Well, Jim, you could see this coming when they switch Gallinari onto Doncic. It's a bad matchup for Danilo. Great player. Latter stages of his career, maybe it's a better idea to trap Doncic and get the ball out of his hands to make another player beat you.
14 have outscored Slovenia 13-4 in the quarter. Doncic gets fouled. He's going to the line. Look at Rudy Fernandez. He's appreciating that. Former teammate of Doncic, Real Madrid.
Now trying to set another screen to find Prepelic wide open. Doncic. Step back, another Troika. Luka, Troika magic. Live at the Spodek Arena, but this is Luka, Troika magic. NBA rookie, being taught a thing or two.
Just takes his time, crosses over, keeps the ball, the step back, the clinical step back. Beautiful rotation, splashes it in, and puts Slovenia up 2.
Well, good hands by Sokolowski. Oh, Luka, step back, Troika. Troika time indeed.
Have a look here. Well, this is Doncic with the step back, gives him enough space to let it release. Lovely rotation on the ball.
Halfway gone here in the first quarter. Sorkin finds Yamada. But Luka coming up with a steal. Because Yamada wanted Denny to flash, and that's going to be an offensive foul, but the points will still count, though.
He's got to be dominant and help him out.
Doncic, can't quite believe how much time he's got. Goes in, finishes. Nice take by Luka. It's a take by Luka. That's the size advantage you have with a point guard or a combo over 2 meters, 6'8".
Watch Slovenia draw up and execute out of the timeout.
Luka.
On this match.
Got it by Lacoste. Contact, counted. Luka Magic going to the free throw line and has a few words for Andy Van Vliet.
They're going back and forth, and Luka scores this. Look, watch. I don't know how long we'll see it, but he gets the and one.
Not a very focused start to the game.
Oh, and Omic in the game for Slovenia. There's Luka. He is in the groove. And I think when he's pointing over at Rudy Fernandez. 25-9. And chance for Luka. Overhead pass. Horvat held his ground nicely. Excellent. The free throw is coming. Great overhead pass by Doncic up to Horvat. Look at that.
Outstanding. You saw Horvat catch it with one hand, deflect it to himself.
Doncic up against Saab. Oh, got to get open. Tough fadeaway. And Luka Magic, mid-range fadeaway. Oh, look at this. This is the true definition of double-7 Luka Magic. License to get buckets.
Was that beautiful? Nice and tight, just catch and shoot.
Doncic again, getting caught that double. Throw that, he's made 1-3, and again, he hits the second one. Israelis down by 3. Trying to cut it down to 1 point. Maybe level things up with a three-pointer. But Doncic coming up with a steal. Now Luka. Goes for a push-off, and there you see the bully basketball by Luka Doncic. That's a steal by Luka. Because Tomek Ginat doesn't want to pick up his third, but Luka just too big, too strong, and just too good. And now Luka Doncic finds Krampel, the early alley-oop coming. Luka Magic fighting.
Gets a hand to it. I was interested to see, there's the perfect dime as Luka comes out.
That's good help side defense by Bako. Oh, Luka going for a three and an early troika for Luka Doncic.
Higher efficiency and then this three. Quick.
Nikolic pulls up. Clangs it. Offensive rebound and put back by Doncic.
So again, different part of his game. He's the screener here. He rolls to the rim, gets box out position on Yang.
He's got 37 points. They got front Wagner guarding Doncic. And they switch, so Simon is on him. That's off. Oh no, it's on! Count it! How dare I? It's down him. Look at this play.
Yeah, that left, going left.
Make it very difficult. Under a minute.
Luka going for a step back. Deep troika. Now it's 39. That cuts it down to 7. The timeout is going to be by France.
That's the thing. Even when they're up 10, when you've got Luka Doncic on your team, look how quick. He doesn't need a lot of time. He loves
Doncic. For a three, and that's a huge troika from Doncic.
multiple games in different jerseys. This left-hand side lines it up, knocks it in, and a big three-pointer. He had his long arm up and he shot right over it. That's good defense, better offense.
Turnover by Avdia. Slovenia have numbers. There's the alley-oop, and do you smell what the Rock Radovic is cooking? Doncic trying to find his way, hangs in the air. Now he's got 9 points. Well, Luka so far 9 points. Remember, we've already said he does have 3 fouls. I'm kind of surprised to see him come back in, but I think Coach Sekulic identified Iceland having made 5 out of 12 from the three-point line. Prevelic, another 3, wide open. The Apache just fighting. That's what they need. Luka penetrates. Now for a fadeaway. Bangs open. But when he came in, and here's the Doncic-esque, as you call it. Makes the contact. Simple fadeaway.
Unguardable.
It is indeed, yep.